first.
Okay, that's the spring load. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then this guy goes on. And goes on from which way? That way.
All right, goes on just like this.
Yep. Slides in and clicks, I bet. There it is. That was the click. Super easy.
Okay. All right.
Simplicity at its best.
This one on there. Huh? That's what it shows.
Well, let's go take a look. Yeah. It went underneath.
Just
It
like that.
went underneath this one.
Yep. Okay. This one here. Whoop.
Okay, there we go. It's nice to look in there sometimes, I guess.
All right. There's the clips.
I don't want to be in your light again.
Okay, I just locked it in place.
All right. It's not coming out.
Drops down there just like that.
I guess that's when you want to make sure you have all the hardware on first.
All right. This is the bottom piece. We'll just leave that there for the moment.